Mousy, don't sit on the table ever again, okay? Okay. Pay attention. Don't sit on the table, okay? I know you're ashamed, but don't sit on the table ever again. You never said not to lay on it. That's not the point. Get off. Good. God. Don't sit on it or lay on it, okay? Oh, God.